Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 great reasons why you should drink rosemary tea every day. Rosemary tea is made from the leaves of the rosemary plant and has a delicious, earthy flavor. It's packed with healthy compounds that can benefit your body and mind in many ways. Let's dive in. The first reason is that rosemary tea can boost your mood and improve your memory. Studies show that the compounds in rosemary can lower anxiety and make you feel more relaxed. It can also help you focus better and remember things more easily. This makes rosemary tea great for students and people who work a lot. Another benefit is that rosemary tea may protect your brain. The antioxidants in rosemary can shield your brain cells from damage. It may even help your brain recover after a stroke. Drinking rosemary tea could also slow down age-related memory loss and prevent diseases like Alzheimer's. Rosemary tea is full of antioxidants that fight inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases like heart disease and cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary can help reduce swelling and pain, which is great for people with conditions like arthritis. Drinking rosemary tea may also help manage your metabolism. It can lower blood sugar levels and improve your cholesterol. This can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The compounds in rosemary may also aid digestion and prevent bloating. Another awesome benefit is that rosemary tea can boost your immune system. It has antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections and illnesses. Sipping on rosemary tea regularly can keep you healthier all year round. Rosemary tea may even protect your eyes as you get older. The antioxidants in rosemary can help prevent age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Drinking rosemary tea is a simple way to support your vision health. If you struggle with pain, rosemary tea may provide some relief. The compounds in rosemary can reduce inflammation in your lungs and joints. This makes it a natural option for managing pain from conditions like arthritis or asthma. Drinking rosemary tea is also a great way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key for your overall health. Rosemary tea has a tasty, refreshing flavor that makes it easy to drink more fluids throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports many important bodily functions. The antioxidants in rosemary tea may also benefit your skin. They can protect your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may help prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking youthful. Rosemary also has antiseptic properties that can soothe skin irritations. Another surprising benefit is that rosemary tea may stimulate hair growth. The compounds in rosemary increase circulation in the scalp, which can nourish hair follicles. Rosemary also has antimicrobial effects that can keep the scalp healthy. Drinking rosemary tea regularly may lead to thicker, stronger hair over time. There are so many wonderful reasons to drink rosemary tea every day. It can boost your mood, protect your brain, fight inflammation, manage your metabolism, strengthen your immunity, safeguard your vision, relieve pain, keep you hydrated, promote healthy skin, and support hair growth. Rosemary tea is packed with healthy antioxidants and has a delicious, earthy taste. To make rosemary tea, simply steep some dried rosemary leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a little honey or lemon if you like. Drink rosemary tea hot or cold, whenever you need a healthy pick-me-up.